Okay, here we go. About low the heat. Get this pan warm. About 1 inch of butter. And my beaten eggs, 2 eggs, which I'll show you how to beat properly. I'm just gonna move this butter around. This is a pretty big pan, but you wanna make sure that you have plenty of butter in there. That's where it's gonna make these eggs delicious. And this is the best recipe you can find. All right. Make sure you use a non-stick, right? Go out and buy yourself a nice non-stick. I'm gonna put those eggs in there. And I'm going to show you how to beat these. That's the main key is beating your eggs to where they're nice and fluffy without adding milk or water like people like to do. You just have to properly beat them and break them down. So, and I got my rubber spatula, Walmart. It's 400 degrees. And we're just going to slowly let this egg come together. We're not on a high heat, you know, we're right there. See how low that is? You don't need to be aggressive with your eggs. You know, they're delicate, they're light, they're fluffy. And if you let this low heat do its thing, and you let the eggs form naturally, you know, with the low heat, then you have a beautiful thing right here. You see how they're starting to come together? Nice and shiny. No reason to have this heat on blast for you. Eggs don't take long to cook no matter what. Oh yeah. Now if someone customer asks for a wet egg, that'd be a wet egg, right? You can see it shiny. That'd be a wet egg if you want a wet egg. Look how gorgeous those are. Some beautiful eggs right there. There you have it. Those are perfect eggs. All right. Enjoy. Have a great day. Have a great year. Have a great life. Chef David J. Alvarez.